Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to apply DBS online in the UK. Now before starting, you'll need to ensure that you have the following information and documents ready. All addresses you have lived at for the past 5 years, your national insurance number and your UK driving license. Then go to the official gov.uk website, which we'll be providing in the link down below, and click Start Now to begin the basic DBS check application. Now to prove your identity, you must use the government online verification service. Create a new identity account or sign in to your existing one. The most efficient method is to use a smartphone to download the gov.uk ID check app. Now you will be guided to use the app to scan your ID and take a selfie of your face, which the app will match to your ID. The system will then verify your documents against official records, and once verified, you will be redirected back to the main DBS application. And the next step is to complete your personal and background details. So go ahead and confirm your name, date of birth, and current address. Then go ahead and answer questions about any previous names you may have used, provide your sex and place of birth, enter your address history for the last 5 years, ensuring there are no gaps. Then provide your NI number, driving license number, and passport number. In the next stage, you need to provide or specify where you want the paper DBS certificate to be sent. Then you'll need to indicate who's paying for the check. If you're paying, you will pay immediately using a debit or credit card or a service like Google Pay. If your employer is paying, you will be sent an email link to forward to them for payment. And you'll need to verify all the details on the review page for accuracy. Then tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions and click Submit Application. Now once submitted and paid, your application will be processed and you will receive emails with tracking information. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to apply for DBS Online in the UK.